Stop. If you are doing push-ups like this, you are not building muscle. You are wasting your time. 90% beginners fail at push-ups, not because they are weak, but because they are doing them wrong. Today, I will show you the biggest push-up mistakes beginners make and how to fix them immediately. Push-ups are not a basic exercise. They build your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and discipline, but only if your form is correct. Mistake number 1, sagging hips or hips too high. This turns push-ups into a lower back killer, not a muscle builder. Fix, squeeze your glutes, tighten your abs, keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Imagine a glass of water on your back. Do not let it fall. Mistake number 2, flared elbows. This is the most dangerous mistake beginners make. Flared elbows destroy your shoulders and reduce chest activation. Fix. Keep your elbows 30 to 45 degrees from your body. Push the floor away. Do not flare your arms. Mistake number 3, half reps. Half reps equal half results. If your chest is not going close to the floor, your muscles are not fully working. Fix. Go all the way down. Bring your chest close to the ground. Push up until your arms are fully locked. Full range of motion builds full muscle. Mistake number 4, wrong hand placement. Hands too wide cause shoulder pain. Hands too narrow reduce chest activation. Fix, place hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep wrists under shoulders. Spread your fingers. Grip the floor. Mistake number 5, rushing reps. Speed kills muscle growth. Fast push-ups. Use momentum, not muscle. Fix, lower yourself for 2 seconds. Pause for 1 second. Push up in 1 second. Control builds muscle. Mistake number 6, no breathing control. Holding your breath limits strength. Fix. Inhale on the way down. Exhale hard as you push up. Oxygen equals power. Mistake number 7, no progression. Doing the same push-ups every day will not build muscle. Fix, beginner progression. Start with knee push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 12. Then incline push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 12. Then standard push-ups, 3 sets of 6 to 10. When you can do 15 clean reps, you level up. Before every rep, check this: straight body, elbows at the right angle, full depth, controlled speed, proper breathing. Muscle is not built by doing more reps. Muscle is built by doing better reps. 1 perfect push-up is better than 10 sloppy ones. Fix these mistakes today, and your chest, shoulders, and arms will grow. If you want a full push-up progression from beginner to pro, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, push below. Train smart, train clean, train like a superhero.